looking through time in high school and college and even the beginning of my career. I had a full head of hair, started thinning out and started really bothering me. But yeah, playing football, you're kind of like, you don't need to look your best because people are gonna just accept you for who you are. But then my confidence started going down when I would go into a business meeting after I was retired from football, and the hair loss really bothered me. My wife pumped me up saying, no, you look fine, but I didn't believe her. I'd actually known about it from JMV actually, and so know that he did some stuff. We do a tailgate together, so I was contacting him, loved his results, and he gave me a little once over and said, yeah, they can do great things for you. Once I talked to JMV, I jumped on WeGrowHairIndy.com, and it a wealth of information. If you have any concerns, to jump on there. It tells you about former clients like the VIP clients, JMV, Petite, Gunner, I believe, is on there as well. And it actually walks you through the entire process. So for me, being able to see that, and it helped my wife as well. It helped put a lot of concerns at rest as far as like, okay, what do they really do? When they say that they're gonna do this, what does that look like? Well, I met pretty much everybody, from the front desk all the way to the owners. There was nothing forced, there was nothing, it was like, hey, if this works for you, we'd love to be a part of it. If not, we understand. It was so easy. I jumped online when I was doing my research of it and saw that artist robot, and it took out little bits of hair on a wider area. As you can see, I got a lot of missing hair up there, so we got a bigger area. So the multi-unit hair grafting was a much better fit for my needs. I am doing absolutely everything they have, I'm putting it up here. So the multi-unit hair grafting I'm gonna rock out, we're doing the PRP, we're doing the laser. I mean, what they got, I'm using it. And definitely encourage the men that are going through this to include your spouse and to get their side of it.
Wives should strongly be encouraged to come alongside their husbands and be supportive and be on the same page and agree to a procedure and a process like this. Darren was very upfront and transparent. I appreciate people like that.
JMV likes to go with the, yeah, we resodded the playing surface. You know, that's not as cool as what we're gonna tackle hair loss and then take it down. So I mean, we're gonna annihilate it, and you know, like any other football analogy that we can do, we're gonna throw it at it and let it, you know, make it beg for mercy. Excited for that?
Yeah.
For a free evaluation, call PAI at 888-724-5129 or go to WeGrowHairIndy.com.